Oh, you're there. Are you there or not? Damn, ignoring mode. By the way, what are you doing live? Oh, never mind, you're away.
So basically, I know a lot of you guys deal with this same situation where your teammates instantly taunt you, like, ignoring, huh? When in reality, you're not ignoring anyone. You're literally just away. Same goes here, and that's what pushed the idea in my head. Why not make something that actually works? Windows' built-in screensaver is technically there, but honestly, it's totally useless whenever you're using any active application. Like if you're live on Discord, or your game is running in the background, the screensaver just never triggers. And because I have this habit that whenever I join Discord, I instantly go live, doesn't matter if anyone is watching or not, my screensaver never starts. It just sits there doing nothing. So what I did was simple. I recorded a short video, edited it, and exported it as MP4. You can do the same thing. Use Camtasia, record your screen, add some text, and export as MP4. Literally any MP4 live wallpaper will work for this. Next step was converting this MP4 into an SRC file. And remember, SRC is not a wallpaper format. It's basically an executable format used for screensavers and live style effects. There are tons of free software out there, but in 2025, almost none of them work anymore because they rely on old Flash player technology, which is dead on Windows 11 and barely supported on Windows 10. Finally, I found Axialis Screensaver Producer 4.41. It's a paid tool, comes with a 30-day trial. I'll drop the link in the description, and honestly, it's easy to get. Now, let's convert the file. Open the program, and at the top ribbon, you'll find Make Screensaver. Click that. It'll ask, do you want to create a new screensaver project now? Click Yes. Here, choose Video-Based Screensaver, since we're using a video clip. Click Next. Add your video clip, then click Finish. The first thing you need to check is Repeat Playlist Forever. Make sure it's enabled. Second, set it to Best Fit or just leave it on default. My first wallpaper was default and it worked either way. By the way, while editing the video, you can also add background music if you want. Anyway, after that, click Make Screensaver. Give it any name, and remember the location because the file will compile inside the System32 folder. I'm naming mine Explodey Screensaver. You can check both options. After that, the next page is basically copyright and licensing stuff. It's mostly for people who want to sell screensavers. I'm leaving everything default. Click Next. Next again. Now here, I choose No Splash Screen. Then Next. Next page is the animation preview. Click Next. And there you go. It shows all the info and the exact output location. Hit Go and let it compile. After that, you can even test the screensaver, like this. Now close the program. Now head over to the file in your System32 folder. Here it is. Once you're inside System32, just search its name. Explodey Screensaver. Type it and it'll show up. You can make a backup or move it somewhere else if you want. Now, at this point, if you're not into gaming or Discord lives, you can use it normally. Just go to Personalize, Lock Screen, Screensaver. Choose the screensaver you compiled. You can change the wait time, by default it's 1 minute, So if you leave your PC alone, it'll automatically start the screensaver. But in my case, yeah, no. I don't want it triggering randomly. My scenario is whenever I go live on Discord and voice chat. Like I said earlier, it's my habit. If I join VC, I go live, even if nobody's watching. And the issue is, whenever you're live, the screensaver never triggers. Even if you launch a game and walk away, it still won't trigger, which makes it useless. So at this point, I was done with Windows' built-in screensaver. It wasn't giving me what I wanted. So I used a tool called Auto Hotkey. Basically, it's a scripting tool for triggers and automations. I'll provide the link in the description. You can download it easily. Now, what this script does is simple. It monitors your mouse and keyboard inputs, and whenever you stop using them for a certain amount of time, like let's say 5 seconds, it triggers the screensaver. And when you move your mouse again, everything goes back to normal and the timer resets. You can change the time too. When I was testing, I set it to 5 seconds, which was super quick. Later, I set it to around 1 minute. Let me quickly show you the steps. First, launch Auto Hotkey Dash, then click New Script. Give it any name, choose Empty, and click Create. It'll make an Auto Hotkey script file in your Documents folder. You can note the destination. It pops up when you click Create. After that, right-click the script and open it in Notepad. I'll provide the entire script I'm using right now. You just copy it and paste it inside. This part is the screensaver location. You need to replace it with your own path. Let me copy the path first, just to demonstrate. Right-click the screensaver file, copy as path. Now, back to Notepad. Paste it and replace the existing one. Make sure to remove the extra quotation marks. There should only be 2, one at the start and one at the end. When you copy a path from Windows, it adds extra quotes, so remove those. After that, you'll see mouse idle limit, which is 5,000. This means 5 seconds. If you put 10,000, that's 10 seconds. I use 60,000, which is 1 minute. So set whatever you want. Then click File, Save. Close everything and go to the folder where your script is. Right-click on it and Run as Administrator, or Open with Auto Hotkey. By the way, I'm already running my script, fully set up. If you launch it again, it will ask you to replace it. Replacing is normal. Basically, if you make edits, relaunch it, and when it asks to replace, just hit Yes so it updates the script. And there you go. Now, whenever I'm live on Discord and I walk away from my PC, it shows that I'm away. So everyone understands instantly. The concept is simple, but it took me a long time to finish it exactly how I wanted. And I hope you guys love this idea. Let me know your feedback. I'm honestly excited to see what you think. I don't know much about scripting, so I used ChatGPT a lot during this, and after many, many, many attempts, it finally worked perfectly. I still think I can tweak it a bit more, but right now I'm new to these things. Slowly, I hope I can make something even more interesting. like different animations when the screensaver triggers, or maybe streams songs from a YouTube playlist. Who knows what comes next? So stay tuned. Take care, and don't forget to drop your feedback.